There are 11 major biomes in the world. A biome is a large area of the world that experiences a similar climate and has the same sort of geography, so that the whole area supports a similar ecosystem. The 11 biomes are polar, tundra, coniferous forest, deciduous forest, temperate grassland, Mediterranean, savanna, tropical rainforest, hot desert, cold desert, and mountain. Their distribution is controlled by climate, especially temperature and moisture. Let's now look at these biomes in turn. The polar biome is too cold to support vegetation on land. It is also dark for many months of the year and has low precipitation. But polar seas have rich ecosystems based on tiny plant cells called phytoplankton. The tundra biome has bitterly cold, dark winters and low levels of precipitation. It is also often very windy. As a result, there is little vegetation, grasses, mosses and lichens, and the occasional stunted tree or bush. The coniferous forest biome has cool winters and cool summers. Trees have needle-shaped leaves that help reduce moisture loss and can deal with cold better. Deciduous forest biome. Deciduous trees shed their leaves so they can deal with the stresses of a cold winter better, so they do not lose moisture through their leaves in winter like evergreen trees, and they don't have creatures eating their leaves in the winter either. They then can make the best use of the warm summers of this biome with their long hours of daylight by growing big leaves in spring that capture the maximum amount of sunlight. The temperate grassland biome has a dry climate with cold winters. Trees are not able to do well in this climate, and the biome is dominated by grasses which grow to about 1 metre high. The grasses are adapted to dry conditions with deep roots and spine-like leaves, and they grow slowly. The Mediterranean biome often has drought in the summer and rain in the winter. Plants are adapted to cope with drought, for example low scrub, small trees, grasses. The savanna biome is close to the equator, but unlike tropical rainforest, this is a zone where the climate is drier and the productivity of the biome is much less than the rainforest biome. Instead of tall trees, there are scattered bushes and grasses. Savanna biomes are most extensive in Africa. The tropical rainforest biome has a warm and humid climate, high temperatures and high rainfall. It is located along and close to the equator. The climate conditions are perfect for plant life, and this is the most productive biome on the Earth's surface. The largest area of tropical rainforest is in the Amazon basin of South America. There are hot desert biomes and cold desert biomes. Both, though, are dominated by very low levels of precipitation, which means that there is very little vegetation. Hot deserts are desert areas in the tropics, like the Sahara Desert. Cold deserts are in areas outside the tropics, such as in Central Asia. The mountain biome occurs in the high mountains of the world. The climate conditions here are similar to those in the tundra biome because temperatures drop by 1 degree centigrade with every 160 metres of altitude. The cold conditions mean that much of the precipitation falls as snow. There are often strong winds too, which mean plants are stunted.